Hello students, just want to give you a little overview and refresher on how to find peer-reviewed articles using the library's database. So in the Huntington portal, you click on the library and then you want to go to research guides, and the librarians have put together research guides specifically for business research. So click on business research and then databases and journals. And in this column are all the most commonly used databases for business research, and over here are online business journals that are commonly used. So let's start with Business Source Complete, and let's say that we want to do a topic on negative interest rate policy. And if I scroll down, I want to check scholarly peer-reviewed journals and also full text. That way we'll be able to just get the ones that have the full article available. And to only get within the last 5 years, we can go out 5 years, 2015 to February of 2020. Okay, now we'll do our search, and lo and behold, we've got 14 peer-reviewed full-text articles, and we can scan through them and choose one, and if we want to, we can read, just the abstract of the article. It's a summary of the article, and see if that is one that we want to use for our annotated bibliography. So I hope this helps, and hope you find a great article to bring to class and to use for the assignment.